Fun Ride. Plug and play. Because of its big success, this line has been extended to 6 sizes. The Fun Rides are the ultimate easygoing free ride shapes based on the Excite Ride concept, but with additional control and easy jibing. They fulfill what their name promises. No other boards are so easy to control while going fast and during turns. They never get out of control, even in overpowered conditions. Perfect, easy jibing boards that stay on a plane through any jibe. They work great for fast carving jibes as well as for beginner jibes. They begin to accelerate very early, and when up to speed they are effortless to sail and reach very good speed requiring minimal effort from the rider. Fun boards made for shortboard beginners and advanced freeriders who look for boards that demand very little input and offer great fun. The best easy jibers, so easy they almost sail themselves.